Frigidaire Countertop Ice Maker not making ice. In this video, I'll show you how you can resolve Frigidaire Countertop Ice Maker not making ice. So these are the several problems that could be the reason why your Frigidaire countertop ice maker is not making ice. So first is there could be a problem with the power supply or power outlet. So if there is a problem with your power supply, the ice maker cannot work. So check the power cord and the power outlet to make sure that they are functional and without defects. Another is there might not be enough water in the reservoir. So your ice maker needs water to make ice. If the reservoir of your Frigidaire ice maker is empty, then it cannot make ice cubes. So check to see if the water reservoir is empty. If it is empty, refill it. And then third is something could be blocking the water supply line or filter. So if your ice maker has the right amount of water but it's not making ice, there could be a blockage. Debris and mineral buildup in the water supply line could block the supply pump. Jams happen over time if you don't clean your ice maker often. And next would be ice could freeze the supply line. So ice can also block your ice maker's water supply line. In this case, melt the ice, unplug the ice maker, and let it sit in a warm room for several hours. And then the ice basket may be full. Some ice makers have a sensor that detects when the ice bin is full or empty. If it is full, the sensor turns off the ice maker, so the ice maker stops making ice cubes. And lastly is your Frigidaire ice maker might be in cleaning mode. Some self-cleaning ice makers stop producing ice when they are in cleaning mode. So always check to verify which mode your ice maker is in.